Money is not a single event. It is a long conversation between behavior, psychology, relationships, timing, and value. Every decision adds another sentence to that conversation. Some of us at times will treat money like a battle that must be won immediately. At other times, we will avoid thinking about it entirely. But healthy financial growth and sustainment usually comes from a sustained awareness rather than obsession or avoidance. Attention, patience, discipline, generosity, impulsiveness. These patterns exist at all levels of financial circumstances. And developing a sense of balance within us, learning from mistakes and growing, building maturity in our relationship to money will keep the conversation with money a lot more steady. Steadiness often equates to stability, and stability often equates to strength. Without a balanced steadiness, our emotions and our thinking can interrupt clarity. Fear can create short-term thinking and desperation. An overactive ego can create careless thinking and emotional volatility. Comparison creates restless and reckless behavior. A calm mind makes it easier to recognize opportunities without being consumed by any pressure. Money is constantly responding to this kind of human behavior within all of us. And it will usually move towards trust, usefulness, persistence, timing, communication, confidence, and a steady structure. Understanding this can make money and wealth feel less mysterious and random. Financial growth, therefore, becomes less about luck alone and more about developing the qualities that naturally attract opportunity, trust, and reliance over time. Big wealth and small wealth are connected a lot more closely than we might first think. When we respect small beginnings, we can usually understand sustainability a lot better later on as the journey develops. We can realize and recognize that money is not only about acquisition, it is about stewardship, awareness, and continuity. In the end, money works most effectively for us when we learn how to remain grounded whilst also still allowing ourselves to think and feel and experience something more about what can still be possible for us in our lives, whilst still remaining grounded to a tethered sense of gratitude.